Relax.
Class captain.
Relax. Don't worry. I'm not going to bite you. I want you to tell me about your group work. Like this butter hat. You can leave. Yes, thank you. The butter hat is so beautiful.
Thank you, ma.
And the way you did it is not like you did it like no, let me rephrase. Let me rephrase because while I was teaching you, you were looking at me like,
It's a long
hey,
process.
how are we going to achieve this for God's sake? It looks like one long, tiring process. I remember she said, this one is easy. So tell me, as a group leader of Group A, this is what you need.
Yes, ma.
So tell me about your experience.
Okay. We started on a good note. I and my team member. Okay, I thought we were going to have issue because for me, I really don't do well with group. I like doing something
On your
on my own so that you will know I would know where I'm wrong and right. So when we started, they all contributed. One person was cutting the fabric, another person was. So we joined together. We started with the brim, and ironing the bias actually gave us a little problem. So sister, she helped us out to make it round. But after placing everything, it's
I so everyone did their best.
Yes,
They
yes.
contributed.
yes, most especially this flour and
I love this
This.
flower. I love it.
we actually checked your
it was
page.
it was handmade. Yes. This group,
Shoulder is high.
they are so proud.
Okay, so we bought velvet bias to
Okay.
cover up the whole thing. So Shalom was telling
velvet
us,
bias
yes,
for this
yes,
side.
for this side. Shalom was telling us that Mr. Diola said whenever she gives us something to do, we should be extra. We should not do exactly what she taught us. So we went online, we checked your page to see if we can come up with something. So we saw something like this design, not exactly, but like it. So we had to
I
change.
think I remember this tutorial of how to make this flower. You see these people? I love it. Look at this heart now. Can you believe that this is a beginner's work? Are you sure that you have not learned work somewhere before?
No, man,
And you not join my butter hat class?
no at all.
Everything you made here
Was what you taught us last week.
in one class.
Yes, ma.
No, just take a look at this. And see the inside. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Wow. This is my like. I love the rose. Yes. Okay, cherry. And look at how neat your sides. I love it. The inside. Look at it now. I'm in love with it. Oh my goodness. So I'm glad you're able to pull this off. And it was intentional
Yes,
that I put you in a group. Like you said, you don't work with a team. If you don't work with a team, how would you be able to adjust and teach others and learn from others? That's the purpose of the group work. I love it. Well done.
Thank you, ma. So I and my team members.
Group 2, please take your hearts. No, just walk freely behind the camera. It's just like this. Okay. Hot. Smashing hot. I love it. Please sit. Let me mic you up. Sharon of the Lord.
Good morning, ma.
The shepherd. Tell me about your heart. Don't worry, relax. I'm just, see, I love what I see. I just want to talk about it. Just let me know how you were able to come up with this in a group of how many people? 2, 3.
But
Three.
our other person is virtual, so we're communicating virtual.
Oh, okay. How you were able to pull this off Tell me about it.
Okay. At first, the first decision we made was the shape of the crown. Yeah,
Oh,
it's not round. We tried to form like an egg shape.
oh, oval.
So in class, he told us that we cannot, we
Yes,
can
this
make
is
it's not round, round.
yes, this is not completely round. It's not round. Okay, it's oval.
Yes.
Wow.
Because he
Okay.
told us that we can do different
Yes.
shapes, and
Yes.
so we tried. That was the first decision. I suggested and we deliberated and we agreed for the shape. Then it was like peaceful. We're just enjoying ourselves. Then at some point we sent picture to mom that is this okay? She replied, sent mom this is where we are and what we are doing at that time. I don't have problem. I don't
No problem.
really have problem.
Wait,
But
that
at
is
some point we were like, deliberate, is it gone? Is it not gone? It is gone. It is not gone. It's 9,000. It is this. So we went back to our book. Along the line, we even made some corrections on what we wrote because we wrote another thing
See,
from what you said and what we did. So we had to correct some things in the book. It was fun to me and it was really, really fun. Another time we had issue was the bowl
embellishment.
for the
I noticed what you did here. This is supposed to be your ribbon for binding.
yes. So
So
we
what?
don't want to use after putting it. We saw this design somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
so let us try it. Our fabric was not enough, so we had to, just
Improvise.
do something.
I love it. The turning your
Velvet
velvet
bag.
ribbon into a rose. Like, are you serious right now?
That was done by
Yeah.
my other team member.
Yeah.
Me, I wanted bow.
Okay.
She did the rose, so we
Bow.
just come
Yes,
together.
that's
So that it
even
won't
more
be as if someone wants rose and the other person wants just put it together and
amazing. So let me check the inside. Oh, take a look. It's too fine. I was hoping today I will come and fire people and say, what did you do after all my effort? But seeing this just melts my heart. And it shows that you were paying attention. I love the details on the green part. This is a good job. But you know I always say it can be better. I love it. Well done. Group 2, clap for yourself. I have a solo project here. I would like to see it. Are you ready? Let's go. Come with it. It's not finished, but let me see what you've got. Assignment review. Yes, that applies to her because she's doing solo project. Okay. Put it on. Let's see. Okay, this is an unfinished job, but you did this by yourself
Yes,
at home. You were not in the
in
group
the
when
group.
they did the group class.
And I
Please,
didn't want
can
to
we have
miss out
decorum? And she did not want she did not want to miss out. I like that. So tell me your solo experience by yourself.
by myself. The initial challenge was getting a round shape. I had nothing as wide as this at home to be able to create that round shape. But eventually I did. I'm not sure whether it's round or, but I did.
Is it round or not round?
Thank you. So I started following the note I took from one step to the other, one step
Hold on,
to
can
the
I
other.
just pause? You don't have to talk about the materials because I know those that are watching, they're wondering, can they learn it on my YouTube channel? I don't have it on my channel. It's a paid class, and it's either you join my Voter Art online class to learn how to make this, or you are here physically, which you are not, obviously. So please go ahead.
Yeah, so I wanted this material. I had it. I wanted to help to copy that, to have like a kimono and this for a photo shoot. So I decided I will use it. But it wasn't as difficult as I thought. When I was watching you do it in class, I was wondering, will I be able to do this?
Okay.
So I said, let me just try. So I started and then I got to this stage. I didn't have something to finish it up. So I'm going to finish it up today.
That's good. like you said, and like the other team members said, when I was making it, it looked like it was difficult.
Yeah.
And I was just looking at you people that day that
Yeah,
I
we
know
were
you people
how
that I
many
know,
steps?
you see these people that I know that I have been teaching for a while. I trust them, but I didn't want to scare you. I just wanted you to go and do it and experience it by yourself. And this is what
Yeah.
imagine what you would have done if you were in the
It's not very easy maintaining that neatness.
yeah.
Like I had gum on my fingers, and as
Have to touch
touch
some
it,
other
it's
people.
also touching on the fabric.
This
So
is your first attempt. Give yourself some accolades.
thank you,
For something you have never
John.
done. You don't even know how to use the sewing machine properly yet.
Yes.
Yes, I said
Yes.
yes because I know you will get better. And this is what you made. Very nice. And finish it up. And I'm sure your next one will be much more better than this.
Thank
Well
you.
done.
Thank
Clap
you.
for yourself. Yeah, you can stop it.